Hi everybody, welcome to Perdix Adventures. My name is Rafael. If you haven't done so already, make your next adventure on our subscribe button, click that little bell icon and you will never miss any of our awesome content. In today's video, I'm going to upgrade the Shearwater Perdix AR firmware to the version 8.7. If you want to know what's in the upgrade, check the release notes. The link will be in the description below. And if you have missed our Shearwater Perdix AI unboxing, the link should be appearing now and will also be in the description below. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. So to upgrade the firmware is quite simple. So here I have my phone with the Shearwater app installed, and here I have the dive computer. So the first thing on the dive computer I'm going to do is start the Bluetooth. And now on the Shearwater app I will click connect. Here I have my computer, Bluetooth, and I will click connect. So the connection is now happening. I can see here now is wait command, and I will click on my phone update firmware. Identify that is a old firmware, is firmware 8.4, and now it's telling me to install the version 8.7. I will click here install, and this whole process will take roughly about 20 to 25 minutes. Shortly the phone will tell me how long it will take. The connection here is receiving, so it's already started. It's transfer in progress. And now I can see here on the phone that's about 20 minutes and 32 seconds. So this will take a long time, so make sure the dive computer does have enough battery as well as the phone. So if you need to charge the phone because it's running low on battery, just make sure the connection will not drop and the firmware can actually be successfully updated. We are in the last 30 seconds, 20 seconds now of the progress. This whole process uses about 5% of my computer battery. So anyone that's starting this process with less than 10%, I would not recommend. The download now finished. It says to check the phone says to check the computer. You click OK. On the computer now it is updating, so 8%. It's quite quickly processed. And it says do not remove the battery. So the firmware has now been updated, and shortly it will reboot the dive computer. Now the dive computer is being rebooted. If there is any problem, this is where it's going to happen. So I can see here update success, and one information that it tells in red is the compression tissues cleared. So I would not recommend doing any upgrade like this in a dive boat, for example, where you're doing lots of days of diving. But before or after, it's okay. But if you are doing this, just plan the dives because now all the compression tissues has been cleared. I will click OK. And now again I will connect to my phone. Oh, forgot to start the Bluetooth. Okay, now connecting to the phone. And if I try to update firmware, it will ask me to do again if I need. So I'm not going to do it because I just did. And if I go to the computer, the next thing I need to do is, because firmware has been reset, system setup, I'm going to compass and I will calibrate the compass. So I have here an analog compass. Just make sure that we are roughly about the same. Yeah, it says about 240 something. Here is on the dive computer 255, so probably is around right. So I will click here, calibrate. And the way that I'm going to calibrate the compass is I'm going to tilt the compass as many possible ways, and I will start going towards the battery, then with the battery, and then on the edge. So I'm going to do this way, then turn this way, and then the last one on the edges. But in any possible direction, just to make sure it's calibrated correctly. Calibrate, and it tells me to rotate in as many orientations as possible for 20 seconds. So I start to rotate as many possible ways. And now at the end it tells me that has been success, and I'm around 260, 255. And if I get the computer, the analog, it's around 250. So it's quite good option. The idea is of course not my option here while I'm demonstrating this, is to point to north. So then for me it would be to my back, round my back, but that's it. So every time you perform the upgrade, just remember to perform the compass calibration. And the final one here, if you be good to, oops, system setup. We can go advanced config and we go to system info, and we can see here the firmware is version 8.7. So then this tells me that it has been upgraded correctly. So there we have it, our latest episode. And don't forget to let us know what you think in the comments below. We will be back with another video soon, and in the meantime, if you have not subscribed already, make sure you do. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to check out our other videos if you cannot wait for the next one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again another day. Bye for now.